Hello, I am Vaghani, and this is my submission for the SIM PPL Research Engineering Intern assignment. The project I built is called Narrative Intelligence System. It is an investigative dashboard designed to analyze how narratives, topics, and external domains spread across different Reddit communities. Okay. Instead of building a generic analytics dashboard with a few unrelated charts, I focused on creating a workflow that helps a researcher or analyst investigate a narrative from search to evidence-based insight. Okay. Now let's first of all start with an example query. The query is related to Trump. Trump administration personal firings and mass federal agency restructuring. Okay. So now let's step enter. Okay, so we can see that the entire dashboard is loaded and total 200 posts found related to Trump from the data, and the unique subreddits are 8, and the Trump related posts contain 66 unique domains, and the average score of all the Trump related posts are 1052. Okay, so my dashboard contain four types of graph. The first one is timeline map. Okay. First of all, talking about what the timeline map says, it tell us the number of posts according to the time. Let first do the full screen. So we can easily see here that the number of posts between February 9 and February 23rd are higher rather than other. In February 14th and February 15th, we have a 29th post related to Trump. So by this chart, we can easily analyze the number of posts according to a specific timeline. So this chart is very useful. We have whenever we have a large number of data. Okay. Now talking about the second chart is a topic cluster. Okay. What a semantic topic cluster do? First of all, we have now total five topic cluster. We can change the number of topic cluster from here. If we change from 5 to 3, the total number of topic cluster are changed from 5 to 3. Here we can see it easily. Okay. Now, let's first of all zoom it out, and we can see that the first cluster contain all similar topics: workers, fired, federal, mass, and firings. The second cluster, which have yellow color, contain all the semantic topic named Trump, government, court, administration, and department. Okay. So if we want to only visualize one specific cluster, then we can remove the other one. So now we have only all topics which are contained in yellow color cluster. If we compare the yellow color cluster with the orange color, then we can directly add from here and we can easily compare both the cluster. So this chart helps us to find out all the semantic topic clusters based on our input query. Now the second table is about the post count are contain a specific cluster. So there are 28 posts are in first cluster, 72 posts are in second cluster, and so on. So by this table we can easily find out the post count. And now talking about the third graph, this graph is very important. It's a bipartite amplifier network. It shows us the subreddit versus domain. First of all, in our case, we have a query related to Trump. So in this graph, the orange node are represent the subreddits and the blue nodes are represent the domains. So for all the Trump related post, we have total 8 subreddits here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the remaining blue nodes are represent the domain. If we want to zoom some specific area like this area, so we can easily zoom by this operation. And now we can say that the subreddit this and this are connected with lots of other domains. The age between subreddit and domain tell us that this specific subreddit is rely on this specific domain. Now talking about the second table, So we can see that the subreddit politics have highest centrality score of 0.1789. It means the politics subreddit circulate the highest number of posts related to Trump. That's why its centrality score is higher. And talking about the domain, then apnews.com share the highest number of posts. That's why the centrality score of apnews.com is higher rather than other domain. Okay. Now talking about the fourth graph is it's a table. Uh, uh, this table contains all the posts related to Trump. We can say that the title of all the posts are mentioned here, and the score of each post, and the author of that post, and the subreddit of that post. Reddit link are also mentioned, and we can easily change the parameters from here. Okay. Now, if I want to find out a specific subreddit post, like if I want to find out the politics subreddit post related to Trump, then I can easily uh, search from here, and we can see there are 163 result out of 200 are related to politics. That's why we can say that politics subreddit have highest centrality score. Okay. We can download this CSV file in our computer, and this entire dashboard is dynamic. Okay, so for this graph, if we change the subreddit from old to uh, politics, then we can see the graph is changed. There is only one orange node, means we have only one politics subreddit, and the remaining all blue nodes are represent the domain. If we change it from politics to any other subreddit, then we have some other graph like this, and for other subreddit we have a different graph like this, and so on for other graphs. Okay. Now talking about, we can also make a filter on domain. If I apply filter on a specific domain named 11alive.com, then we can see there is only one pair, because a subreddit politics shared a Trump related post which is rely on this domain 11alive.com. That's why we have only two node and one edge between them. We can also filter out these all graphs by the minimum score. If I change the minimum score from 0 to 2000 and 22,180, then the table are changed. So we can easily dynamically change the minimum score here, and our graphs are also changed. We can see that these graphs change after the minimum score changes. Okay. We can also change the date range. If I change the date from 23 to 25, then my, okay, 25 to 27, then my graph shows that there is no any Trump related post in between this date. If I change from 23 to 26, then we find out that only one post related to Trump. That's why only one pair of node are present. So we can also change the date range from here. So this is the dynamic dashboard, and the all the data are come here from the data provided by the SIM Okay. And after the dashboard completed, we have a suggestion for the next query which are related to Trump. So we can directly copy query, and we can do the semantic search from here. Also, my dashboard handle the cases. If I remove this specific query of Trump and add empty query, then my dashboard says that this query you are entered is empty or invalid. You have to enter a specific valid query. If I enter any specific different character, then it's also show me the same message. So I have to enter a valid query like this Trump related query, then it show a specific dashboard. Okay. In our case, we change the date range. That's why it show only one post here. Okay. So this is the entire dashboard of narrative intelligence system. This system was designed to support a full narrative investigation workflow, starting from semantic search and moving through time series analysis, topic clustering, network-based amplification analysis, and source-level evidence exploration. So my main focus was to build something that is not just visually polished, but also explainable, robust, and useful for real investigative system. So thank you for watching my project walkthrough.